Hi, I'm Keith Lehman, president at the Wood Creek Condo Association in Taylor, Michigan.
Keith, what's the moment where you felt the full weight to being on the board and realize how much responsibility actually falls on you?
It was probably, I was on the board as just a board member for about a year and then took over as the president. But being on the board and on the president, it really, really hit me realizing how much time you actually have to put in it. But you get out of it what you put into it. So I found out that you got to put more into it than what you think if you want the results. And so, I'd say after my third or fourth month, I'm like, wow, there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but there's a lot of back end work that we have to do to make it work. So it was I say really early on, I realized it's not just about board meetings, it's being interactive 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And that's where I was like, but again, everybody's different. We wanted our level of expectations was higher. So if you want more, you got to do more. So uh, it was really, really eye opening after my first board meeting, though, just realizing the day to day operations it takes to run an association.